You know, I've had a real problem with those in office thinking that I'm stupid. You know what happens when you think a citizen is stupid? Now, every day I go to the senior center. Oops, I email those in office about crimes. I give them the actual laws. Oh, and you and your immature dog family think that I'm the stupid one. Now, for every email address that has been obstructed from having the link because somebody personally delinked all the links, laughing their asses off. What you don't understand is those in office have a legal right to receive anything from a citizen. Now, when I copy and pasted the whole Washington state legislature, it seems that you thought I was stupid for not understanding that those in public office, when they find out about the crime of obstructing their right to receive the actual documentation supporting what I'm saying, you're the stupid ones. Now, I'm thinking you can go to prison for this, not just the individuals that were doing it, but the police and sheriff's department that has been allowing them to do it. Now, Judge Porter, yes. I could not get my public defender, Bruce Hanafy, to admit the evidence that I wasn't in Sequim, Washington, but you ordered a mental health evaluation. Now, why don't you start thinking like an oath of office that is going to prison? You would do yourselves a lot of service if you stop thinking that I'm stupid and you start asking yourselves if you're stupid. Now, you thought I was stupid for emailing those in office when I realized the amount of authority they have if they decided to use it. Now, among the evidence available to the state in support of its prosecution of Mr. Budnick is the following. An email sent by Mr. Budnick on Friday, June 16th of 2017 to numerous recipients, including people at Heidi's workplace, demanding that someone remove the protection order that is at issue in the case. I have never emailed anybody at Heidi Budnick's place of work. Not in the Brennan School District, not in the Quilcene High School. I have intentionally not emailed her. Now, why doesn't Michael Hawes copy and paste all the emails that I posted on my Facebook profiles where the links were delinked? Now, among the many attachments associated with Mr. Budnick's June 16th, 2017 demand to have the protection order dropped is a screenshot of the protection order itself. Ooch. Now, Brett Roberts had declared under the penalty of perjury under the laws of the state of Washington that the foregoing, what he had just put in writing, is true to the best of my knowledge and belief. Well, let's see. When the public defender does not admit the evidence that I was on the bus on December 31st of 2015, yes, and I was in the Port Angeles Public Library at 4:48 p.m. because I sent an email at that actual moment. There was no possible way I could have committed that crime, but Judge Porter would not actually ask for any evidence. Now, I know that the Jefferson County prosecuting attorney thinks that they're very smart. Okay. I've had this problem with those that are attorneys that they think they're the smartest dog in the room. But I went online and I found out that the docket from this, what was it, July 18th, when you had the court hearing, my name was on there. Now somebody's putting district court dockets on the internet, and I made a copy of it and put it in my file, because I thought that you were abusing your power. Now again, you're causing me to look bad. Now, why doesn't the stupid fucking Jefferson County Prosecuting Attorney's Office copy and paste every email in that email that Mr. Roberts says that he received that I had allegedly sent to her place of work, and then go through my Facebook profiles of all the emails that I've put on there for the last 5 or 6 days? Yes. Where I said the links don't work on this one, but this one it does. And then copy and paste those emails into the Google Drive. Ouch. And then do a comparison. Now, your dumb fucking way of doing court is going to find you in prison. Do you understand, Brett? Now, when I told you to remove it, you thought you could fuck me over and keep my sons from me. And when I said for the last 7 years this county has been torturing myself and my 5 sons, I was not lying. In fact, why don't we go through the docket information about notice and opportunity to be heard? Now, the Parental Kidnapping Protection Act makes it a crime to issue any custody orders without any manner of notice or opportunity to be heard. And in Exhibit B, there's an actual chronological history of exactly what the county did. Okay? Now, in 2008, you can see that I was not given any notice or opportunity, 2011, right, to be heard. Now, what asshole in the prosecuting attorney's office doesn't understand the requirements of the Violence Against Women's Act and the requirements of the Parental Kidnapping Protection Act? Now, I put on there the Pupil Rights Act. Do you not understand, Troxell? Do you not understand the Washington State Student Bill of Rights? You don't understand the Victims Bill of Rights. You don't understand what the fucking law says. Now, since July 8th of 2011, when you issued that first protection order, you've been torturing myself and my 5 sons. Now, when I tell you to remove the protection order, because I don't know who this is, on 8/27 of 2015, is there a dog out there that thinks they're so fucking funny? Because as a father of 5 sons, I'm not finding myself very funny right now. Now, when you did not give me any notice or opportunity to be heard on June 1st to June 12th of 2015, you did not do what the law requires. Now, I'm going to sue this county and Jefferson County for every fucking thing they own. Because you're so obstinate as a sadistic law enforcement agency. Now, why don't you just find out who the fuck it is that I've been emailing?